Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making a very easy recipe that only has 3 ingredients. You may remember it from the movie Steel Magnolias when Dolly Parton's character Truvy Jones explained how to make it. She said you need a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, and a cup of fruit cocktail with the juice. Then you mix and bake at 350 degrees till golden and bubbly. So I thought we'd give it a try. It reminds me of Edith Bunker's fruit cocktail muffins, which I made in a previous video. I'll post a link to that below. To make this easy recipe, I'm using a medium-sized mixing bowl. I'm adding my cup of flour. And instead of a cup of sugar, I decided to cut the sugar down to a half a cup to make it less sweet. Adding my cup of fruit cocktail. And now all I'm going to do is whisk it together. And this is how simple the recipe is. Make sure I'm mixing everything well. Getting it all incorporated. Now I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Okay, it's all mixed well. And now I'm going to take my pan. I buttered my pan. And now I'm going to put the mixture in.
Hey Grandma, it's time to bake a Cuppa Cuppa cake. It's quick and very easy to make. It's a Cuppa Cuppa cake. A Cuppa Cuppa cake. A Cuppa Cuppa cake. Ready in less than an hour with a cup of fruit cocktail, a cup of sugar and a cup of flour. Hey Grandpa, it's time to taste this Cuppa Cuppa cake. It's nice and warm and freshly baked. It's a Cuppa Cuppa cake. A Cuppa Cuppa cake. A Cuppa Cuppa cake. Ready in less than an hour with a cup of fruit cocktail, a cup of sugar and a cup of flour.
The oven has preheated to 350 degrees, and now I'm going to put, this is a vintage Fire King dish, and now I'm going to put this in the oven.
And to cut the sweetness, add some ice cream on top. Or add some whipped cream, I think you'd like that a lot.
The cake is all baked. It took 35 minutes to bake at 350 degrees.
A Cuppa cake. A Cuppa Cuppa cake. Ready in less than an hour with a cup of fruit cocktail, a cup of sugar and a cup of flour.
I thought it would be nice served with a little ice cream on the side. How does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma.
A Cuppa Cuppa cake. A Cuppa Cuppa cake. Ready in less than an hour with a cup of fruit cocktail, a cup of sugar and a cup of flour.
That tastes good, Ma, with the ice cream. Nice dessert, Ma. The cake tastes really nice. Has a nice consistency. It's got the fruit cocktail inside. It's not too sweet because we cut down the sugar. And the ice cream is nice with it. Don't have whipped cream right now, but if we had whipped cream, we could put whipped cream on top. This is a wonderful dessert to have.
If you have the flour, the sugar, and the fruit cocktail in the house, and you know company's coming, it's such an easy dessert to put together so fast, and it's so delicious. And you could have it with whipped cream, ice cream, and it's such a great dessert.
I agree, Ma.
Glad you like it, Pa.